Hi there, it's Catherine from the Aberdeen Area Convention and Visitors Bureau, here to tell you what's going on in Aberdeen this weekend. The Northern State University Winter Choral Concert is Thursday night at 7:30 p.m. at Aberdeen First Presbyterian Church on South Klein. That event is free, but they're asking for a free will donation. There are several Northern affiliated choral groups that will be singing that evening. The Aberdeen Family YMCA Girls Interstate Basketball Tournament is this weekend, December 3rd and 4th, so we welcome all the families who are here for that event. They take over about 9 gyms throughout the city, so if you see them around, give them a welcome and have a great tournament. This Friday is the first Friday downtown, which is a great opportunity to get some holiday shopping in. I just want to remind you all to shop local. It's where you can get really unique gifts, especially for your friends and family who don't live in town. They maybe don't get all the awesome South Dakota and Aberdeen merchandise, Aberdeen items that you can here right in town. James Valley Model Railroad has another open house on Saturday from 11 a.m. until 4 p.m. The North Area Honor Band concert is at 4 p.m. on Saturday at the Johnson Fine Arts Center. Admission is $12. And mark your calendars, on December 11th, the Dakota Prairie Museum Holiday Open House goes from 1 to 4 p.m. For more information on these and other events, head to AberdeenAreaEvents.com, and you can even submit your own events. If you have an event you'd like to promote, you can do that there. There's a big orange button that says submit. All right, everyone, let's go out there. Let's have an amazing weekend. It sounds like we're gonna have some nice weather, maybe not winter weather quite yet, but let's take advantage of that and maybe have some fun this weekend.